During the British Raj, when the East Indian Company shifted its troops from Karnal to Ambala, the Holy Redeeemr Church, which was established in 1848 CE, became an important place of worship for the British Army's religious services. Lord Ripon, the only Catholic viceroy, is claimed to have visited this church. The structure is built with massive towers held by sturdy pillars, and moreover, it features a raised roof in the Gothic style that is designed to keep the interior cool throughout the summer. The church contains two spacious halls that were used for various purposes. One was originally meant for the British Indian troops for accommodations, and the other one was converted into a dispensary and as a reading room. Weather and age-related collapses and other factors caused the church to be reconstructed in 1905 CE, which was then handed over to the Redemptorist group in 1956 CE.